Hello friends, I'm Melanie from MelanieCooks.com, and today I'll be making Nutella Mug Cake. This is so quick and easy. If you're craving something delicious and love Nutella, you need to make this mug cake. You'll love it. All we need is an egg, Nutella, and flour. Here's how to make it. Let's crack an egg in a mug. The mug needs to be microwave safe. And now let's whisk the egg. And next I'm going to add 1/3 of cup of Nutella. And now let's mix it with the egg. And finally, let's add 2 tablespoons of flour. So here's 2 tablespoons of flour, and mix until combined. Once you mix everything together, let's put it in the microwave. So put in this mug with ingredients in a microwave. And now let's microwave it on high for 2 minutes. Now the microwave is done cooking, so let's take a look at Nutella Mug Cake. Look at that. So big. Looks delicious. You can just touch from the top to make sure it's actually a texture. Looks like a cooked cake. Yeah, it's cooked. Perfect. Look how good it looks. Amazing. So easy to make in a microwave. And I'm so excited about trying it. I love Nutella. Now let's try it. Look at this amazing cake texture here. Perfect. Now, let's see how it tastes. It's very hot, so. It tastes as good as it looks. It's so moist, so delicious, and so full of Nutella flavor. You will love it. And it was so quick and easy. And it, the cake really got so big. This is very satisfying. You will love this easy recipe. For a free printable recipe and other very easy recipes, please visit my website, MelanieCooks.com. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Melanie Cooks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Enjoy!